On Saturday, May 15th, Kobe Bryant was officially inducted into the NBA Basketball Hall of Fame, and he was presented by none other than his childhood idol, Michael Jordan. Could you imagine if Kobe Bryant actually lived to see that, his whole career come full circle, where the person that he looked up to the most was inducting him into the NBA Basketball Hall of Fame? It makes you really, really sad that he wasn't here to witness that. Now, Mitchell and Ness actually produced a Hall of Fame jersey to celebrate this occasion, and I have that jersey in hand today. And in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to do a full detailed review, then I'm going to hit you with an unbody. And we start right now. Once again, I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching another video. I appreciate all the support that you guys always show me. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do content on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for your boy, I would really, really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now, as some of you guys are aware, Hibbett Sports has had crazy deals going on for the Kobe Bryant Mitchell Ness authentic jerseys. And if you've been paying attention to my channel at all, you know I've picked up quite a few of them. Now, in doing so, I also accumulated Hibbett points that you can use on additional purchases. So they were selling this Hall of Fame jersey for like $200 on sale. And then they were having an additional sale where you could take additional money off, and then I used my points. You guys aren't gonna believe how much I paid for this jersey. Now, the retail price tag on it is $325. And guess how much I paid for it? Just guess, just guess. $103 out the door shipped. Yeah, I pretty much robbed Hibbett Sports for this jersey. So, I mean, like, to be able to pick this jersey up for $103 was crazy, insane, and a no-brainer must cop for me. And I have the jersey right here, guys. And it doesn't come in a bag or anything like that because Hibbett Sports has all their jerseys up on shelves or on a wall. So, you don't get the plastic bag with this, but bam! Now, when I saw that Mitchell and Ness originally released these jerseys a few months back, I did want to get it, but it was $325 retail. And the colorway on this jersey is not your typical Laker colors. You do have this like shiny purple, and you have this light colored yellow on it. So, I mean, it's not like your standard Laker colors at all. So, you know what I mean? I wasn't really quite sure about it, but for the deal that I got on it, this was just like no-brainer. And with Kobe Bryant entering the Hall of Fame, if you're a big fan of Kobe the way that I am, just adding this to your collection is probably like a must. Now, even if you don't wear this jersey all the time or anything like that, just having it and wearing it seldomly and stuff like that, you know what I mean, is definitely a collector's piece in my opinion, because this jersey does have, you know, a Hall of Fame patch and stuff like that that celebrates Kobe Bryant's entire 20-year career. And as we look back at Kobe Bryant's legacy and his career and all the memories that he gave us throughout the years, it's really, really sad that he's not here to witness himself being inducted into the Basketball Hall of Fame. But now we're going to do a full detailed review and take an up-close look at this jersey. Alright guys, so here we have our first up-close look at this Kobe Bryant Hall of Fame jersey, and we're going to take a look at the materials and everything attached to the jersey. Now, starting out inside of the neck collar, you will have this white Mitchell & Ness tag, and then directly below that, you will have this red size tag, and this is a size 44 large, and this is made in Vietnam. Now, attached to that, you will get two tags, so you're going to have this Mitchell & Ness retail tag, $325 from them. Hibbett had it on sale for $199. On the other side, just has the authentic. Then you have a Hardwood Classics tag, and you have the NBA.com tag. Now, on the side of the chest, you're going to get that NBA logo that is stitched into the jersey. Then directly below that, you're going to get this Lakers lettering, Kiss Cut, stitched very, very well. Very, very clean. If you're familiar with Mitchell & Ness products, you know they do a very good job on their stitching. Then directly below that, you're going to get that number 24. And look at the quality on that, guys. It's very, very nicely done. You do get the white numbers with the light yellow or gold that surrounds it. Now, on the side of the jersey, you will get that white stripe, and then you have that gold outline as well on the side. Now, on the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to get a jock tag. This also has a Kobe Bryant Hall of Fame patch. It has the number 24 and 8. You do get the Mamba logo with the snakes. And yeah, class of Hall of Fame 2020, 1996 to 2016, so 20 years in the NBA. And then you're going to get the Hardwood Classic Mitchell and Ness. Now, normally on the side of this, you do get a size tag, but on this one, you do not. One other thing that I want to point out here at the bottom of the jersey, as you could tell, the front of it is a lot shorter than the back of it. So, just something to note right there. Now, inside of the jersey, you will get this laundry tag, and the jersey is constructed from 100% polyester, and it's made in Vietnam. Now, moving to the back of the jersey, and the colorway continues exactly the same, so you're going to get that shiny purple material and that light gold color. And starting here, you're going to have that Bryant lettering across the back of the jersey. No flaws, no mistakes, wonderfully done, just like the front of the jersey. And then you're going to get that iconic number 24, all wonderfully stitched as well. Now, one thing I kind of wish that they did for this jersey, because it was a Hall of Fame, was put, maybe like his number 8 on the front and then a 24 on the back, or vice versa. I think that would have been a nice touch. But either way, I'm not mad about it. This jersey is constructed very nicely. It's very well made. And, if you were able to get this on sale, I mean, this was a steal. But now that I showed you all the materials and I did the review of the jersey, I'm going to show you what it looks like on body. Now, when it comes to this authentic Hall of Fame jersey, I really do like the jersey a lot, guys. You do get a very good quality jersey from Mitchell & Ness, but if I'm being honest with you, this isn't something that I'm gonna wear on a regular basis. But just having it in my collection as a big fan of Kobe Bryant, to add with all my other Kobe Bryant jerseys, was a definite must-cop for me. Now, the quality of the materials that Mitchell & Ness used on this jersey are very, very nice. It's stitched very, very well. If you're familiar with Mitchell & Ness basketball jerseys, especially in the authentic product line, they don't really ever disappoint you. Everything's stitched really, really well. The jersey feels amazing on your body. One little thing though is the length on this jersey is a little bit shorter. So if you're taller or maybe, a little bit, bulkier, you probably want to scale up a full size. But, I went true to size like I always do, and I'm a little bit shorter, so, you know what I mean? This fits me just perfectly, so I do recommend going true to size unless you're really tall or a little bit on the heavier side. I do want to take a moment out to congratulate Kobe Bryant and his family on an amazing career. Thank you so much for all the memories that you gave all of us throughout all the years. You will be remembered forever. Mamba forever, rest in peace. But I do want to know what you guys think about this jersey. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. I would like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And until next video, peace.